Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Thanks for joining me in this video. We're going to kick off St. Patrick's Day crafting with a new feature that I'm bringing to my channel. Now, it's not new to everyone. It's been around, but it's new to my channel. And I'm actually going to apply what it is. It's a print and cut, and I'm going to use some vinyl with it to create a nice little decor. So we're going to kick off St. Patrick's Day with this new thing that I'm bringing to my channel. And then I have, let's see here, I think I have 3 more St. Patrick's Day videos. They're all craft with me projects. 2 of them are just straight up St. Patrick's Day decor, and then 1 is going to be just for the tier tray. So I think I did 7 tier tray. Don't quote me, but that will be coming out soon. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a very short, quick video, but I wanted to show you what I'm kind of been interested in doing and seeing how it's going to play out. Okay, so I have this blank here, and it's from Hobby Lobby, and this is from their spring decor. Now, typically I don't buy any of their current decor because I don't know, if I'm going to ruin something, and I say ruin very loosely, if I'm going to redo it, I should say, I'm going to want it to be on clearance. But I just love the shape of this. I love the round corners, and I believe, depending on, I can't remember when these videos are coming out, so I apologize if I haven't released that video just yet, but I also did another video where I did the same blank but did something different. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead, what I'm doing is I'm combining vinyl with print and cut. So it's something that I always thought about doing, just because since I started my channel, I've been noticing I just been doing a lot of home decor that just has words on there and just no, I guess, not pictures, but, you know, no, nothing, just a lot of worded decor. And while that's fine, it's just, that can get a lot of, I don't know, it just can be overwhelming with the amount of, you know, decor that just has a bunch of words on it. So I thought, why not use the print then cut feature and include that in my home decor. So that is what I decided to do. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to like it. I had set up all my videos already, and I'm doing another video with the print and cut with vinyl. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but you know what? You got to try it, right? And see how it works. So if it works, I'm going to keep on doing it a lot. I never used print and cut before, and until I started this journey of these craft videos that I'm currently making. And so it was a learning curve. I actually think there's something, we just bought a printer, an Epson 2800 from Best Buy, and the sole purpose was to do print and cut. And well, you'll see it here in a moment. It ate up so many of my printable vinyl sheets. So I'll show you what I used here. So I bought this as Cricut brand vinyl. So Cricut printable vinyl, and it comes in 10 sheets. So it ate up like 3 of my sheets. I was so upset about that. And I don't know why, because you'll see here, the ink was bleeding over, and then it was ripping up my print and cut. So I was pretty upset about that. And I also think it's making a weird noise. So I'm wondering if there's something wrong with that printer. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to return that printer and actually exchange it for the same thing, the Epson 28, but I'm not going to do the 2800. I'm going to do the 2850 because I have an Epson 2850 that I really like. It's slightly a little more expensive, but I've never had any issues with it. And I turned that into a sublimation printer. So, you know, once you turn your printer into a sublimation printer, you cannot turn it back. So not that I would want to do that. So I'll have 2 printers of the same thing, and they're actually pretty decently priced. I believe the one, the 2800, the one I have that I got to return. Now it could just be, I'm not saying it's a bad printer, this one could be defective, but it was $200, and the 2850, I think it was like 3 something, but they have it on sale currently. So, and it's February 17th. So Now the only thing is, I should have looked this up before I started this video, but since there's printable vinyl, I wonder, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it this way. I wonder if you can use transfer tape. I'm sure you could, but I'm going to test this out because I don't want to ruin my cute little design here. So, you know, this is why this video only has one craft, because I want to test it out and see if I like it. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to test it out to see if it will ruin my transfer tape, or I can just peel this off like a sticker and go from there. So, all right, so I'm going to put that on there. And the reason why I'm not cutting this down, because I think this is going to be perfect size. So I'm just going to kind of see how well, this is going to be kind of weird, but peeling this back, and I'm just going to see how well, so that part sticks off. So that's the part, this would be the part around it here. I know this is so weird, but then my whole thing is I'm going to peel this off to see how well this comes off the transfer tape. And it came off just fine, no problem. Okay, so then I can use this transfer tape for this. So hopefully that will hold true. It says it's printable vinyl, so I would imagine you can use transfer tape. And again, I should have probably looked it up, but I started the video and I'm gonna test it out for you. And I'm sure some of you guys have been doing it for, I probably should have weeded this out first. Oh my goodness. I'm getting ahead of myself, you guys. Okay, that's all right. No big deal. Goodness gracious. So you could tell I'm new to it. Okay, not a problem, because then what I'll do is I will, yeah, okay. So I'm noticing some ripping, so I just think I need to go, just need to go, what am I doing here? I need to go really slowly. Okay. Okay, my little clover came off, and that's okay, because I can just peel that off like a sticker. That is not going to be an issue. So I am going to be okay with that. All right. That was my fault. It was user error. I happened to yank on that. Okay, so let's go put that to the side. And then I am going to hope this is going to work. If not, you know, it's just the nature of the beast. And it's supposed to go underneath here. Actually, let me go ahead and pull it up on my screen, because I think I had this lined up. It's not going to be perfectly centered, so let me pull this up on my screen here. I think that's good. So it's kind of hard when you don't have all the elements. Y'all know this struggle. Okay. And then let's hope for the best that this is going to transfer without ripping. I'm going to go very carefully because I don't want to rip up that transfer tape, or not the transfer tape, but the printable vinyl. And this design was from Canva. I just typed in St. Patrick's Day and looked at their elements and found an element that I really wanted. Guys, oh my goodness. I am loving this. OMGs. Okay. This is probably going to be a new way. I don't want to give up my vinyl, so I'm not going to give up vinyl crafting at all. But I'm definitely going to be implementing more of these printable vinyls. Let's just hope I can get a printer that works. If you have a recommendation of a printer, okay, this is just becoming a mess. Okay, let's just see how well this takes. Okay, you know, real life crafting, I definitely made a mistake. All right, let's get rid of this before I make more of a mistake, right? Okay. And then turn that over. Okay, so let's pray to the crafting gods that this will stay on my transfer tape, and it's not. Okay. And I don't want to use strong grip transfer tape because that will probably ruin my printable vinyl, but if I think encouraging it, and there we go. Oh, you guys, perfect. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, I'm getting really excited. Okay, I just need to calm down. And then this just goes on. Luckily, it ripped in a really good location, so it's not going to be too noticeable. Sorry if my head's in the way. Let's see here. Just looking at, okay. So, and you wouldn't even know, right? Okay, let's go ahead and, okay. Go ahead and scrape this down. I'll go ahead and cut this off because I don't need that to go back on my printable vinyl here. Okay, and let's go ahead and get this transferred very carefully. We might need to show it some TLC. This is kind of an older vinyl. Okay. So, and I apologize. I meant to tell you, this is, says Kiss Me, I'm Irish. And I actually am doing another one that says Kiss Me, or Pinch Me, I'm Irish. So, I thought that was kind of cute to have two different variations. Okay. And then this one was a little hard to get centered with this hat. Just because I wanted it to go on a curve. And I just found a font that I really liked. And so this one's just going to be somewhere, again, I'm looking at my image on my computer, and I think I'm going to have it go over. Okay, I think that looks good to my eye. So again, going back to what I'm saying, this is the reason why I want to do more printable vinyl is because I have a lot of signs in my house that has the text, you know, and doesn't have these cute little designs. And I just, you know, I really want to kind of start doing some different things. Now, of course, I'm going to be limited in size because I can only print 8.5 by 11. You know, I could piece things together, of course, but so we're just going to start small and we'll take it from there. But again, I could very well have used print and cut with this too, but you know, I'm not willing to give up my vinyl crafting. Then it just kind of becomes a little boring. I like the weaning process and all that fun stuff. So I think it'd be kind of cool to implement both the printable vinyl and the adhesive vinyl. And this is just going to go about right here. I curved it as best as I could. And I like the glossiness with the, now I could have done matte to keep it all matted, but I like that this is glossy vinyl, just to kind of give it a little pizzazz, if you will. And there we go. Okay, I definitely think this is so cool. Hopefully this inspires you all to do the same thing. If you have a printer, buy those sheets. And, you know, I know that Design Space has print and cut designs in there too. Or of course you can go to design bundles or Creative Fabrica. I'm not affiliated with any of them, so this is totally just me speaking from the heart. But they have a bunch of these PNG files, and like I said, I got this from Canva, and I have a Canva subscription or membership, so that's why I went to Canva. But yeah, challenge yourself. See if you can do vinyl, adhesive vinyl, and print and cut together, and see how you like that. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more of these combinations together. As I said, I'm definitely going to be bringing them more to my channel. It's not going to be the only thing. There's definitely going to be a lot of vinyl crafting. So for those who don't have a printer, don't worry, I still got you covered. But you'll start seeing this more in my videos here and there, especially with spring and Easter coming up. All right, thanks guys. Have a wonderful day.